Hi, I am Rafał, and this video is about a Husqvarna 701 Enduro Riley tower that I have just received, and it comes from a Belgian company called Adventure Bike. We're gonna unwrap it and take a look at this beauty. So I have just taken this out of the box, and this is what I found. So first of all is an instruction on how to assemble it. It's not very detailed, to be honest, so it will be an adventure for me as a less experienced kind of mechanic. Two stickers to put on the windshield, and the rest is wrapped in here and still needs to be unpacked, so I will fast forward to not hurt your ears. And here it is. Okay. Sorry for the mess behind. So here it is. Here it's how it looks like. Looks pretty good. It has some wires inside. These are probably related to the lights. I have chosen the option with the ECU approved lights. So this is how it looks like again in detail. And there is a smaller kind of a package, probably holding some mounting points. Let me go through that. Right, so these are the mounting brackets, 1 and 2. That is interesting one. And that is it. So this is everything that you will find in the box. Instructions and stickers. Those 2 mounting brackets, and the rest of this is already pre-assembled and holds some wires inside and some other parts inside. I will get to that later on, but this is just a very quick unboxing video, so you know how the package arrives and what's inside, what is included, how it looks like in maybe a bit more detail than what you saw on the pictures on the website. And I will be installing this in the next few days. If there will be a video showing the process of installation on YouTube, I will skip that, and then I will be back with you with a review on how it works on the bike. But if there won't be one, I will do my best to cover the whole process of installing this. So hopefully more content to come soon. For now, just an unboxing, a short video. Thank you, and see you around next time. Cheers.